welcome to 2-Minute Stories.
The story title is about
The Fish and the Elephant.
Philly was a cute elephant who loved playing all the day. She played with anything she got. One day she was running around chasing her tail, like this funny cat did. Can you imagine? But it was a hot day, and Philly got very tired and thirsty. So she decided to drink some water to quench her thirst. Off she went to the pond to get some water. She put her trunk into the cool, clean water and sucked up a good amount of water. Suddenly, something tickled her inside the trunk. She started giggling. The tickle got worse and worse until Philly sneezed. The water poured out of her trunk. And to Philly's surprise came out a little fish with the water. Philly started laughing, and so did the fish. The fish loved coming from Philly's trunk, so she kept going and coming out of her trunk. They all had a lot of fun together playing many games.
Thank you for watching 2-Minute Stories.
See you in another video.
Bye.